In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Airtable data to Excel. If you're looking to simplify the process of transferring your data from Airtable to Excel, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the steps you need to manage and analyze your data efficiently in Excel. Let's dive in. First, you want to navigate to the Airtable website. This is your starting point, and you'll need to access it to get to your data. Once you're at the Airtable homepage, you'll notice a sign in button. Click on it to take you to the login page. Here, you will enter your credentials to sign into your Airtable account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Remember, this is a necessary step because accessing your data requires you to be logged in. After entering your details, you need to click Continue to access your workspace. This will lead you to the dashboard where all of your Airtable bases are stored. Look around until you spot the table from which you wish to export data. It's crucial that you select the correct table to ensure you're working with the intended dataset. Next, once you've accessed your desired table, you should switch to the grid view. This is because the grid view provides a straightforward and organized layout of your data, making it easier for you to work with when you eventually export it to Excel. After making sure you're in the correct view, look for the option to download your data as a CSV file. To do this, simply click on Download CSV. Downloading a CSV file is a pivotal step since CSV is a widely accepted format for data importation and can be easily opened in Excel. Once the file is downloaded, locate it on your computer. Most likely it will be in your Downloads folder unless you've specified otherwise. From here you can open the CSV file directly in Excel. Excel should automatically recognize the file format and open it in a new spreadsheet, neatly displaying all your data in columns and rows. This allows you to manipulate, analyze, or present your data using Excel's robust features. Keep in mind that since you're working with a CSV, any formatting or calculations will have to be reapplied in Excel since CSV only retains raw data. And that's it, you've successfully exported your data from Airtable to Excel. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth transition of your data, allowing you to leverage Excel's powerful tools for your data analysis needs. If you need to export other tables, just repeat the process.